Hello, in this video we will change our inventory and make it able to stack same items at same cell. Before start, huge thanks to my friend Max for asking this video. So, for start, let me show what we're gonna have as a result. Here, every item have an own number that show how many items contain this object. Next, I will use looting button. As you see, I can stack them together. That's it. So let's go make it from previous inventory file. First, make text object number. And animation name. That will help to detect is item for stack same or not. Next, when we grab item, create variable item type. That in this example will be our animation name. Now let's print the item type variable in this text object animation name. Try this. OK, for each object different animation name. These names we took from animation names of object item. Let's change it for look more accurate. For next, create number of items. At beginning, for each item, make variable number with random value. From 1 to 4, for example. Next, text object number at top right position of item. The order can be more than items. ID of number up to items ID. And change text object number to items variable number. Now try it. It's create 3 random numbers, but it cannot move together. So this is next. Here in the hold item event, let's create group called move number. Create event for each number. and detect correct item by using ID. And in sub-events for X, if position of number is not same as start, move it there. And same for Y. Trying that? Good, it's moved together. But if I stop, it's just place number at last position. For fix it, we just copy the move number function and paste after all release mouse button options. Try again. That's it. It's worked well. So now we can move it. So next is to stack items together. Let's create new item, coin for example. The ID should be 1, 2, 3, 4. And start ID now change to 5. We have two coin objects, but they cannot be at same cell, and we need to change that. Create variable called stack items and set to no. Next, move to cell creation. And for each cell, add two more variables. Item type set to none by default. It will contain the name of item in this cell. And variable add number that will help us to manipulate stacking numbers. Great, for next we need to solve this. Considering to how this inventory works, I can put item in cell just if cell become active. So, if cell already have same item, cell still should be active. At event where item can be placed after release mouse button, we need to add new action. Item type of cell set to items animation name. Also, two places for this. First, at event where we detect that cell is free from items, add action item type is known. And second, when we grab item, add sub-event. In condition, we detect cell of this item from same position. And the action, Item type of cell is known and open is yes. So when we grab item, cell become free from that. Next, move to selecting cells. Here, if cell have collision with item, we have just one option, if cell is open. Let's add new one by copy that and change open cell to no. Now it will be always open for every item, so add one more condition, if item type of cell equal to scene variable item type. That detect animation of item when you grab it. Let's see. Yes, when it detects same animation, and when we try another item, it's closed. I can try to place it, but it don't have option for this yet, and that we need to add next. When we place items, we have just one option, if cell is open. Let's copy that, change condition of open to no. Next, item type of cell should be same. And detect text object number by ID of item that we hold. Next action. Current cell active stays same. Changing item position we don't need, because we're gonna delete item object that we hold, because we don't need it anymore. Next, delete change open cell to no and item type, because it's already correct. Next, variable add number of cell set to items number. And variable stack items change to yes. Finally, delete objects, item and text number, because we not actually stack these objects, we just change the number of objects in cell. Great, now we need to take our number of items from cell to item. So let's create our event under this, but it should happen after releasing mouse button and not in sub event where we detect one item that we hold it. First event, if stack item is yes, change stack item to no, so it will happen just once. At sub event, repeat for each cell. If add number is not 0, next detect item by collision with cell. And detect text object number by ID of item. Make actions. Variable number of item, add, variable add number of cell, then change variable add number of cell to 0, and update text number by items number. Now try to stack them together. Great, that's done. Finally we can make functions take all and looting work in a new way. And let's start from looting. Here we need to change creating items. Just copy from beginning the number creation actions. Remember, ID add 1 should be under, because item and text number will have different IDs. Next, create new place event before old one. We don't need old anymore, because the new will contain his functions. But till finish I'm gonna keep it, cause I can fast copy same actions. So, create event for each item. Condition they not placed. As action, detect item type. And text variable have some item set to no by default. It will help us to manage in which way we place the item. Next, sub-event for each cell. Condition: if name of cell is looting, it's not open, and current item type of cell equal to placing item animation. Also detect text number by ID. As action, everything similar to placing after release mouse button. Variable add number of cells set to items number. Delete item and text number. Variable stack items and have same item set to yes. After that, if we not find cell with same object, here will be the old place event. Add event with condition if have same item is no. and add sub-event for each cell. Copy here all conditions from old place event as name looting, open yes and place no. And all actions, change position of item, open set to no, place set to yes, and add one more, item type of cell set to item's animation name. Also copy and paste in sub-event our move number function. On the new place event, add new event for stuck items. We made it before, so can just copy that from release mouse button events. Play that. Okay, looting is work. Final is about take all button. So look here. You just add new action for take items that item type set to known. Now simple. Copy new placing event from looting button. Change name of cell from looting to inventory and delete old placing event. That's it. Try to do that. Great. Thank you for watching, put like and subscribe on my channel, and see you in next videos. Bye.